Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get on your Google Classroom and manage your Google Classroom, go through so that you can figure out what you still need to do, not only for my class, but for other classes too. Some of you are really struggling still. I'm also going to show you how to manage your CoderZ. Now, DJ has given me permission to use both of his accounts. So if you're not signed into Google yet, you can just Google Classroom. And then click on Google Classroom. Now for me, if you have not signed in yet, you are going to have to click where it says use another account. I already have DJ's information in there, so I'm going to click on that. And it's going to open up his Google Classroom. Now, whether you're 6th, 7th, or 8th grade, it's all the same. Now, here's my computer class, but here's his other classes also. Now, it does say that there are some things due. If you click up here, though, it also has all your classes listed, as well as a calendar that if you have something due, it will list them. So you can also keep track of what you need to do this way. Now I'm going to go back to the classes, and for distance learning during the pandemic, I made one class for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And you can see your stream. Now, if I post something or someone else posts something, then you can see it here. But the easiest way to see exactly what you need to do is to go under classwork. And I think a lot of you are not doing that. So up here where it says classwork, you just click on it. Now, again, you see the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade lessons. Right now, we're on the same lessons. This might change later. You only do your grade level. So I'm going to click on, you know what? One more thing. If you are new to Google Classroom and you haven't done any of the assignments, don't start on the top assignment. Start at the bottom. So I'm just going to click on the 6th grade assignments because they're all the same at this point. If you open that up, you will see that I have made all 6th grade accounts if you didn't have one on this site. Just click below and log in with your Google account. So there's the link to log in, and I'm going to come back to that in just a minute. For this assignment number 2, I've actually added 2 videos, and I'm going to show you this after we log in. And then I also put the login for CoderZ. Now, I'm going to click on that right now. It's going to open up a new link. Now, if you are a 6th grader, you're going to go right here and put in your username, which should be your student number, and then your password, which should be your birthday. If you have not joined a class yet and you are in the 7th or 8th grade, you're going to have to click here first and put in the class code. Now, the 7th grade class code, and I'm going to put this in the notes when I post this video. 7th grade class code is well-worn C. I know they're silly. The 8th grade class code is normal chair, right? So I'll put that in your notes when I post this video. Now, let's go back. Say you're already logged in, because some of you are still having problems just trying to decipher if you're done or not and what courses you should do. So when you first log in, you should see CoderZ and Cyber Robotics. Now, I've started everyone on the CoderZ adventure. So if it opens up to something different, all you have to do is click where it says Learning Center. We're not using My Projects yet, and we're not using Scoreboard. So I'm going to click on this. So CoderZ Adventure has several areas. Coder Adventure Peak, Frozen Island, Lost City, Crystal Crater, and Candy Town, Sketch It, the Milky Way. I have posted assignments for these three: Adventure Peak, Frozen Island, and Lost City. You should do them in order. Let's click on Adventure Peak. So DJ's got all his finished. But now, if he didn't have it finished, it would not say 100%. And what if you're stuck on one? Because I see some people getting stuck and they act like, or they seem to not know what to do. Well, you go back to your classwork tab and you open one of these YouTube videos that I made to help you out. And this one is, hi guys, I'm going to take missions 1 through 4. Okay, so this will take you all the way through, and you can even make it bigger if you want to. Missions 1 through 4. If you are stuck on mission 4, just scroll ahead and find where I talk about mission 4. And then you can finish. When you finish these 7, you're going to go on to Frozen Island. And if you need those videos, you can see right here, number 3 is Frozen Island. And I put on the login link and 2 videos that show you how to get through Frozen Island. Now, some of them I leave the last couple blocks for you to do. Now, if you want to turn in an assignment on Google Classwork or Google Classroom, you can do that, but I will tell you that I'm not keeping the grades up in Google Classroom. You can go to your Infinite Campus and find out your grades and what's missing. What I've done is each mission is worth 10 points. So if you don't have the full point value, that means that you need to go back and finish it, whatever it is. And yes, you may turn it in late, and I will update my grades. I try to do it a lot, but some days it might be a day before I update it, or if you turn it in at midnight, it might be a day. But we'll get through this together and keep working, because it is going to count. Your activity in Google Classroom is going to count. So if your teachers haven't put due dates on assignments, and I've noticed some don't, you need to work your way through those assignments, not waiting for us to get back to school or the year to end, because in some way your assignments will count. All right, guys, good luck.